Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to share with you three such books that will help you utilize your thought process to an optimum level as well as make you understand the fundamentals of law of attraction through thought process. So these books are As a Man Thinketh by James Allen, The Path of Prosperity by James Allen, and The Law of Attraction by William Atkinson. So these books are under 150 pages, and if you are a beginner or if you are even an advanced level reader, you can definitely give these books a read. I will read the contents for you. So this book contains 93 pages, is of 93 pages, and there are 7 chapters. The first chapter is on thought and character. The second one is on effect of thought on circumstances. The third one is effect of thought on health and the body. And the fourth one is thought and purpose. The fifth chapter is the thought factor in achievement. The sixth chapter is vision and ideals. And the seventh chapter is serenity. So, it's like I will quote something from this book that will help you understand the gist of this book. Okay. So the title of the books itself tells what this book is about. That is, as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. That a man is literally what he thinks, his character being the complete sum of all his thoughts. Means whatever we think, most prominent thoughts on our mind is the thoughts which shape our destiny, which shape our personality, and that's why we should have a clear idea as to what we want and how we should behave, and how we should behave in a certain manner, how we should think, how we should act, so that we do not subconsciously attract the things which we do not want and which won't serve the purpose for us. That's why this book give these books actually all these three books gives clarity on what kind of thoughts we should think and how should we behave and how our thought process should be, so that we can attract exactly those things which we want to attract and nothing more or less than that. Okay, so I means these three books are my favorite. There is no comparison in between these three books are classics. I want to tell you that these As a Man Thinketh by James Allen and The Path of Prosperity are classics, and as well as this Law of Attraction. So if we see law of attraction, then we will understand that law of attraction is a universal law, and universal laws are unchanging. So these classic books will never go out of date, because law does not change. Universal laws does not change. We man changes, but our soul, the soul as witnesses remain the same. That's why these books are relevant today's date also. So I would like to tell you about the book Law of Attraction by William Atkinson, because by far this is my favorite book on law of attraction. This book serves as the primary and will make you understand the basic principles of law of attraction. The basic principles, like it will also tell you the techniques of law of attraction. Some techniques you might know. We should write the things what we want, and also the affirmations. We should do affirmations. We should journal. These things are the techniques of law of attraction. But do you know how we can actually know that how this law of attraction works, and what things we should do so that we can attract the things we want, and we can optimally use the law of attraction in our favor? Exactly, this clarity should be there in order to achieve the desired results through law of attraction. And this law of attraction by William Atkinson serves a greater purpose in that. Also, these two books by James Allen, I will exactly tell you what these books will do for you. These books will craft, or I can say these books will let you have a desired personality and let you develop a kind of characteristics in your personality that will help you grow, that will help you have the clarity of mind that you want. And also the second book states the path of prosperity. It means that how we can be on the path of prosperity in each and every aspect of our life. Okay, so these two books, when you will read this As a Man Thinketh and The Path of Prosperity, you will understand that what kind of character you should have, and in what kind of way you should think, in what kind of way you should behave, how your behavior should be towards other person, and how your behavior should be towards the things, so that we can achieve the things in the right manner, so that the universe works for us in a proper manner. So, and these books are just magic. So I would say please do read these books, and let me know what are your favorite books. on law of attraction, and if you want me to review some other books on law of attraction also, I would like to share the contents of the book with you. So I already talked about the James Allen content. Now I will tell you about the chapters in the Path of Prosperity book by James Allen. So this book have 7 chapters. The first one is the lesson of evil. The second one is the world, a reflex of mental states. The third one is the way out of undesirable conditions. The fourth one is the silent power of thoughts controlling and directing one's forces. The fifth one is the secret of health, success and power. The sixth one is the secret of abounding happiness. The seventh one is the realization of prosperity. Now I will share with you the contents of the Law of Attraction book by William Atkinson. So you can see this book. The contents of this book are divided into 2 parts. It is part 1 and part 2. The part 1 heading is the law of attraction in thought world. The part 2 heading is the practical mental influence. In part 1 there are 16 chapters, 1 to 16, and in part 2 it's divided from 17 to 29 chapters. 29 is just a bibliography. It's actually from 17 to 28. So you can see the chapters here. I'll read it for you guys. The part 1 is the law of attraction in the thought world. The law of attraction in the thought world, the second was the first chapter in part 1, is the first chapter in part 1, and the second chapter is thought waves and their process of reproduction. The third chapter is a talk about the mind. The fourth chapter is mind building. The fifth chapter is the secret of will. The seventh chapter is the transmutation of negative thought. The eighth chapter is the law of mental control. The ninth chapter is asserting the life force. The 10th chapter is training the habit mind. The 11th chapter in part 1 is the psychology of emotion. The 12th chapter is developing new brain cells. The 13th chapter is the attractive power desire force. The 14th chapter is the great dynamic forces. The 15th chapter is claiming your own. And the 16th is law, not chance. So basically the part 1 tells you about the basics and fundamentals of the law of attraction. It tells you how to build your mind, and also it tells you the secret of law of attraction. So what is the secret of law of attraction? It's willpower. It's also other techniques such as you should have a higher vibration, you should have clarity of mind, and such other things. You should build your character and personality in a certain way so that you can attract the same kind of things as you are. Actually we attract the things who we are. We overlook the reality and think that okay, I want this so it should happen, but the things do not go like that. Okay, so we have to be in a certain way to attract those things. We have to change ourselves, we have to change our personality, we have to act in a certain manner in order to just attract the things. Means let's talk like this. So if you want to attract things, okay, specific things, like you want to achieve a big house, you want a vehicle or something like that, okay, so what do you think? It will come to you directly? No, it won't, because you should also possess the characteristics and the capability to own those things. And how you will develop those capabilities? By taking care of what you have in your life currently. You should first know how to handle the things currently going on in your life and currently the things which are in your life. Then only you can go to the next level. These books tell you that. So these kind of things are there in this books, which if I keep on talking, it will be the longest video ever. So you should read this book. You will get exceptional level of clarity, and then you will see those positive things. If you assimilate in your life, those positive things will definitely happen to you. And these books, I must say, you will go and read these books again and again, because these are top class. Okay, just pardon my words. Now we will move on to this part 2. And what are the chapters in part 2? Practical part 2 contains chapter 17 to 28, and the heading of part 2 is practical mental influence. So it starts with the 17th chapter starts with the law of vibration. 18th chapter is known as thought waves. 19th chapter is known as mental induction. 20th chapter is known as mental concentration. 21st chapter is known as mental imagining. 22nd chapter, fascination. 23rd chapter, hypnotic influence. 24th chapter, influencing at a distance. 25th chapter, influencing en masse. 26th chapter, the need of knowledge. 27th chapter, magic black and white. 28th chapter, self protection. So as great these chapter names sound, the content of those chapters are more great, and you will definitely enjoy reading these books, and they will definitely help you towards your goals, dreams, and a pathway. These books will create a pathway for you, a roadmap for you to walk on, to have the clarity on what things you should do, what things you should avoid, and how you should act, how you should develop your mental clarity, how you should develop your character and personality in order to achieve the desired results through law of attraction. So this is it for today. We'll see you in next video. Thanks for watching my video, and do share, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. Different contents are there on my Instagram account and on my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching. See you later.